Gorgeous, that's great. Yep, fix that one hair on the side right there. Y'all see that? That was a crime.
Today, 4 photographers have the same model, outfit, and location. The challenge? They have 3 minutes to take the best shot possible. This is 4 photographers shoot the same model.
Hey y'all, my name is Nick Glover and I'm a portrait and fashion photographer from Dallas, Texas. And today I'm gonna be shooting on a Nikon D750 with a 50mm 1.4 lens.
What's up everybody, my name is Bryant Mastermind. I'm from Chicago and I will be shooting with a Canon EOS R fisheye lens.
Hi guys, my name is Rose Catherine Hall. I'm a photographer in the greater Detroit area. Today I'm going to be shooting with my Canon 5D Mark II.
Hey guys, Jessica Kubasi here, and I have my 24-70 lens on my Canon 5D Mark IV. Our beautiful model today is Leah.
Hi, I'm Leah. I'm based in Los Angeles and I'm happy to be here.
I didn't say where I was from, right? They're like, he just lives
He's from the woods.
and I live here.
Okay. So for the first location, we're here at this park. I thought it would go great with this beautiful gown that was handcrafted and designed by Detroit-based local designer Nabila Najjar. You gotta take your lens cap off first, foremost.
I always leave it on. I find that's good luck.
I found that's good luck. The pictures look better when the lens cap is on. Let's do very like soft movements, yeah. And can you like show off the sleeves a little bit more? How much time do I have?
1 minute.
It's just kind of assembling the dress that's taking a while. I feel like this is like a wedding dress. The wedding photographer is coming out. And then a little bit more.
2,
Arms
1.
out, arms out.
Time's up.
I'm gonna popcorn you, Nick.
No, I'm waiting for the cloud to move.
You're waiting for the cloud to move?
I want my sunlight.
Oh my god.
All right, whenever you're ready.
I was born ready. Beautiful, put one hand towards me. Bring that hand over the knee like that. There we go. Beautiful.
I'm curious how the fisheye is gonna look.
Oh,
Like, cause
yes.
he's so close. Like, is he full body? Cause like if I got that close, that's a headshot.
If I got that close,
I got the shots. At this point, it's just showing off.
2, 1. Oh, he's done. Oh, he finished early.
Flips hair. Let's do him.
you know he's waiting
I'm
for
waiting
the
for the
clouds to
sun.
pass.
That's why I want to do it.
Okay, that's fine. All right. Just look out profile that way.
I love how Nick already has her in the pose.
He's like, hold it, don't move a
Like,
muscle.
don't move. Okay, your time starts now.
All right. Just look out over. Yep, just like that. Gorgeous. That's great. Hold that there. Don't move.
You start taking it. She's been in that same pose before we started
She's like,
filming.
my leg hurts.
Perfect. Turn your eyes to me just a little bit. Head this way, just a little bit more. Oh, the sun's coming. Yes.
So he's been waiting for the sun to come out, and now the sun's out.
The universe worked in his favor.
Perfect. Ah, my gosh, that was so quick. I just want to get just like a portrait. Turn your head a little bit more this
You're
way, but keep your hand.
cheating.
I'm just getting the supplement shot.
That's what he called it, a supplement shot?
A supplement shot.
Oh my god.
Well, guys, what you see here
I'll
live
take a
in person
supplement
is
shot, too.
he's
No
cheating.
big deal.
I should get a supplement shot.
Can I do a
like
supplement
that.
shot too?
We all need
Complimentary
supplements.
Yeah.
supplement shots. Love that.
Okay. No.
I'm so good at this.
Found your new job.
I love it. I quit photography.
And then flip the dress just kind of in the air.
Love
Yeah.
that.
A lot of low angles. Got the reflector going. The gold reflector also.
5,
4,
3,
3,
2,
2,
1.
1.
That's it.
All right.
When you're packing your bag and turning your back, calling me a liar, calling me a liar, trying not to let my feelings get to me. Sometimes I can let them go.
What's up, everybody? So this is the location that I chose for today. This is the look that me and our beautiful model put together. So stay tuned. Let's see how we do it. Yeah, that's perfect.
Yes, the bend. I mean, how are his
Yeah,
knees
he's
holding up?
squatting.
I know, that's why I just literally
sweep
get
the
myself
floor.
on the ground like
Just stay on the ground.
Put your upper shoulders on it and then lean out your legs this way like that. Love. Turn your face all the way that way. There we go.
I'm like,
Is he done
I could keep
before?
going.
Is he done? Are you good?
He's just like,
You finished 15 seconds early.
I like an early
Confidence.
dismissal. Let's do, what type of lighting do you guys like?
lighting? You know what? I'm using my.
I don't know what I'm gonna-
Boxes.
Yeah.
Let's do you first.
Me? Okay. Lean forward over me a little bit. Yeah.
Stand straight up. Love that.
She's
Brian could do a
posing
little
as
bit
well
better.
as she's shooting.
Right.
And let your arms hang. Oh, is it too bright? Is it too bright? That's okay.
Really emotional shoot.
I know she's hot in those pants.
Oh, for sure. Well, those gloves, they were hot.
We said, oh, it's 90 degrees out today. Let's put as much clothes on you as
Exactly.
possible.
Perfect. I think I'm good.
Yes, early dismissal. We have another early dismissal.
Okay, guys. So today we have Brian's replacement because he's doing the reflector. So
I'm basically Bryant Girl version. Hi.
yeah, just like that. Yeah, don't move. Stay right there. Let's do one sitting real quick. Let's just switch it up. I'm gonna have to do one of Rose's poses. One of Rose's poses. Yeah, that's great.
Actually, I had 2 more seconds.
That extra shot, oh, he lied.
I have early dismissal. Early dismissal. Your 3 minutes starts now.
All right. Hand back up for me. Gorgeous. That's great right there. 1, 2. Perfect. Hold it. Great. Look out over that way towards them. Don't move. That's great. Just gonna get a detail right there. The makeup. Hold that. We're moving inside.
Nick,
Nick, go.
Nick, are you here?
Hello, Nick. Nicholas.
Nick, make your shutter go off if you're here.
Nick, if you're here, press the shutter button.
Hold that. Oh, beautiful. That's great. Perfect. Ooh, I'm like stressed. Oh, that's cool. Do that. Don't move. Don't move.
Okay, Nick, you have 10 seconds left.
That's great. Elbow up just a bit more. Elbow up right there. Shin down. Shin down. Perfect.
Okay,
Right
time's
there.
up.
Oh,
Yes.
So for my location, I am really, really attracted to concrete and hard lines and just really cool shapes. Okay, I saw this really cool street corner, so I'm gonna start over there, kind of look around the surrounding area and go from there.
You good? Ready, go.
He's making me nervous on the street like that. Nick, do you maybe not want to be in the turning lane? It is one way. Okay, now he's back. He's back to being not on the street.
Hand on the back of your hip for me. Perfect, that's great. Nice, chin up a smidgen more.
The way that he crosses the street without looking like
It's giving me very Mari show. You Are Not the Father results are back in live here in Detroit.
Like Demi was like running.
He's like,
It's like
Nick, what do you think about this?
Oh, it's totally gone. Oh well. Damn it, I shouldn't have moved. Oh well. That's great. We're just gonna shoot it. We're coming back. We're coming back.
who are you popcorning?
Jess.
Okay. Let's go. And then let's have you walk back. I like these lifestyle shots, yeah. And walk backwards. I love the, oh shit, it's overexposed. And walk back. I want to get like the perfect shot.
She's risking it all for these shots.
You have a minute.
Yes. Oh wow. Crossing.
She's risking it all.
Hit by a car.
Oh, Jessica's not a in the street type of gal, but I like this.
Okay. Yay, good job.
I think I'm gonna use my flash.
Hey.
Yes. So you just don't need me anymore, huh, Rose? I'm fired. Cool. I get it. I get it. I bombed the last shoot. I get it.
You bombed the last shoot. You did amazing. You're doing amazing, sweetie.
Can you kick your leg up? Oh, yeah. One more. Keep going that. Yeah.
Oh my God, she's literally like Selma. Or no, koalas. Those are the ones that hang like this.
Yeah.
So she's kind of staying in the same spot the whole time.
She is, yeah. I should have done that. That's smart.
Shoulda, coulda,
More bang
woulda.
for your buck. Oh, that's pretty with the wind.
That's nice, that light.
She's so good.
Oh, wow. Fun, right? Wow, those are so pretty. I love.
Beautiful. 1, 2, 3. Beautiful. Let's do some kind of portrait shots. There we go. Chin up higher. Oh my God. You're interrupting my minutes, sir.
I didn't know it was coming.
Beep, beep.
2,
1. He better stop. I can't see
Is that
him, but.
Yeah. And just extend that leg out towards me.
Oh, you're out of time.
Huh? Out of time? Huh? They're not gonna know.
Brian, are you still shooting?
He's still shooting.
He's still shooting.
All right, cool.
I saw your shadow. I saw your shadow.
What are you guys talking about?
You guys were taking pictures after.
We did no such.
You cheated for everyone?
Yeah.
No, I don't pick sides. That's all I'm saying.
She's like,
Wow.
"I'm here for the pictures."
Wow, no one cheated for me.
Hey guys, this is the last location. This is my look that I styled. We are in Greektown, and we're about to shoot. Let's go. Take a couple steps this way. That's beautiful. Take like 2 steps this way for me. Yes.
Oh, wait. Oh, is she done? A minute early? Oh, no. Oh, she's going in the street. Switching the positions on the street.
Come towards me, Leah. Yeah. Reach over me. I'm good.
Well, like a walk. I just want you walking here. Yeah, like walking. Yes, exactly. And walk past me. Can I have you like sitting right here?
I keep forgetting to make her sit down. I'm always just like, all right.
I know, I like when people stand. I don't know, I
Yeah,
never
me
think
too.
about sitting.
I don't either.
Can you be sitting like right there, or like kneeling down? How are you doing? You need more water? Here, take it. We gotta hydrate the models.
Oh, gorgeous.
I can't even see what he's doing. The cars are blocking.
I was gonna say, I had a bit prepared.
Beautiful.
He's doing awesome, even though we can't see.
This is the best picture I've ever seen in my life.
Amazing, wow, unreal. I can see like his arm. Oh, I saw. Okay, I see his leg. His leg's looking great. Looking great.
Oh, well, no, I can't see.
Oh, they're on the ground.
They're on the sidewalk.
Great.
Amazing.
That was all that was needed, baby. That was so good, girl.
Your time starts now. 3 minutes.
I gave him a thumbs up.
Yeah. Yes.
Your time has started.
Go!
Scooch a little more into the shadow. Right. Oh, sorry. Scoot back. There you go. It's gonna be like pretty. Yeah.
Oh my God, he's making me nervous. He just
Stepped his foot into the street.
Yeah, he stepped his foot into the street. The car's passing.
I
They're
only
like,
need one leg to
beep,
shoot.
beep.
It's gonna be like a little weird. Like I want you just like here. Gorgeous. That's great. Yep. Fix that one hair on the side right there.
Yeah.
My best bingo card. My other bingo card.
Y'all see that? That was a crime. Okay. Oh, that's nice. I like that.
Scared the shit out of me.
Well, at least they didn't
Remember,
run
he
him
just-
over.
he just screamed.
Or he stepped into the street or
No,
something.
he just screamed.
First I thought he said, ow! I was like, there we go, see?
Almost got hit by a car.
We need to know what
having a
happened
great day.
with the scream.
Right, what was that about?
What was that?
Did y'all see me almost get hit by a car?
We need.
Is that what that was?
You almost got hit by a car?
I almost did.
Did you guys
That's
catch that
why-
on video?
Did you
Oh,
scream
yeah, we
or
did.
did they scream?
Yeah,
all
the dude like
screamed for
swerved
ice
into me.
What?
Yeah, y'all did see?
We heard the scream, but we didn't see obviously.
Yeah, no, like
Did you scream or they scream?
they screamed.
Oh,
It
okay.
scared me, and I think
Like,
they were trying
they
to scare me
screamed
into
like,
the
"Oh,
street.
shit,
Right. He was like,
Yeah.
I'm scared. I want to get ran over.
Welcome to Detroit.
All right, so that's the end of the episode. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you to all the photographers for joining me today. Our amazing model, Leah. Nabila Najjar for designing the first outfit that we used, the dress. Let us know where you want to see the next episode, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye. I love that for us.
Love that for us.
Love that for us.